Welcome, everybody. I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to your lab report. So the first thing you're going to do is put in a title, and this is going to be a descriptive title, like what is the effect of blank on blank, where the first blank is your independent variable and your second blank is your dependent variable. This tells the audience like, what exactly this lab report is going to be about. Now, often when kids look at this, they are tempted to start at the top. Well, I don't want you to start there. I don't want you to start with the abstract because that's the summary. It's actually best for kids if you actually start right here. Once you define your independent and dependent variable, it becomes much easier to write the rest of the lab. So I recommend that you first start with these characteristics, then move on to your materials, procedure, data table, and then actually collect your data, make your graph, do your conclusion, then come back up to the top and do your abstract and background information. When you will notice at the very bottom, there is a rubric for you that I will be using to grade you. And you will, in the end, be turning this lab report into turnitin.com. So please watch the video about how to do that.